everyone. Today we will learn about time. So the figure on the right hand side is that of a clock. It has two hands. The shorter hand is the hour hand. It shows time in hours. The longer hand is the minute hand and it shows time in minutes. Now, the face of the clock means the clock dial is divided into 12 equal parts. And these parts are marked as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on up to 12. There are 5 equal small divisions between two successive numbers. Means between 12 and 1 there are 5 equal small divisions. Between 2 and 3 there are 5 equal small divisions. So between two successive numbers there are 5 small divisions. Thus there are 60 small divisions in all. Fine. If there are 5 small divisions between two numbers, then in total there are 60 small divisions. And each big division represents an hour, means this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These counting numbers are the big divisions and these divisions represents an hour and each small division represents a minute. If after 12 the minute hand will be at the first division, it means it is 1 minute. Then 2, 3, 4 and if it is at 5, it means it is 5 minutes. So the hour hand moves from one number to the next number in 1 hour. Whereas the minute hand goes once round the dial in 1 hour. Thus we can say 1 hour is equals to 6 minutes. Now let us know how to read the time in hours. See, look at the figure. Here in this figure, the hour hand is at 5 and the minute hand is at 12. So the time is 5 o'clock and we have to write the time like this, 5 o'clock. Now it is also written as 5 o'clock like this. Fine. So this is the time which is written in symbols. Fine. So time in this clock is 5 o'clock. Now let us go through the exercise. So let's do the first question. Read the time and write in 2 ways. Now here the clock is given. We have to just read the time and write the time in 2 ways. So let's see how to write. Here the hour hand is at 6 and the minute hand is at 12. So the time is 6 o'clock. This is one way in which we can write the time and the other way is like this. This is how we write the time in symbols. Fine. Now in the second clock, the hour hand means the shorter hand is at 8 and the longer hand means the minute hand is at 12. So the time is 8 o'clock and in symbols we can write the time like this. Now in the third clock, the short hand means the hour hand is at 3. Long hand means the minute hand is at 12. So the time is 3 o'clock. And in symbols we can write the time like this. Now question number 2. The hour hand or the minute hand of each clock has fallen off. Draw the correct hand on the clock face to show the time. Now in all the 3 clocks, either the minute hand or the hour hand has fallen off. Now we need to correct the hand on the clock face to show the time given here. So at first the time is 4 o'clock. So here the minute hand means the longer hand is there but the shorter hand is not there. So we have to draw the shorter hand at 4. Then only the time will be 4 o'clock. Now in the second clock we have to show the time, that is 1 o'clock. So the minute hand is already there, means the longer hand is at 12. So the shorter hand means the hour hand should be at 1. Then only the time will be 1 o'clock. Now in the third clock, the short hand is there at 5, but the long hand is not there. It should be at 12, then only the time will be 5 o'clock. Next is question number 3. Read the time and then draw hands and fill in the blanks below. First of all, we have to read the time, that what is the time on the clock. Then we have to just draw the hands and fill in the blanks. So first of all, the short hand means the hour hand is at 8 and the longer hand means the minute hand is at 12. So the time is 8 o'clock. Now 1 hour earlier means before 1 hour, what was the time? So before 1 hour, the time was 7 o'clock. So the hour hand should be at 7 and the minute hand should be at 12, and then the time will be 7 o'clock. Now when the time is 7 o'clock, 4 hours later means after 4 hours, what will be the time? So after 7, next is 8, 9, 10, 11. After 4 hours, the time will be 11 o'clock. So the short hand will be at 11 and the longer hand will be at 12, so that the time will be 11 o'clock. So I hope you would have understood this exercise.